The short terminology about the password security that I gonna share about this in this video. So basically, for generating a password, you may write like this: const password equals to, let's say, math. I am importing math module in JavaScript dot random. Like, you may use this type of function. You may log the value of password, okay, and you may get like the password. Basically, I using node new.js. So you're gonna get this type of password, but a sophisticated hacker, if you use this password in your you know program, so a sophisticated hacker gonna hack it easily. Not easily, but he could able to hack it. But for making the security on your program or maybe on your secure site, will be not using this random method, but because this is too much familiar for the hackers, we'll be using one system that is called crypto module. We'll be using this. So let's discomment it out. Okay, so let discuss about this. What is this? So you can see that I am using the crypto module, and crypto module is by default a Node.js module. If you are familiar with Node.js, you can literally do write a required line, and you can easily import this crypto module from your Node.js package.json. And there's a password. I'm saying about the password. So this is my password. You can make a random password of your own choice. So let's say, may I make like name. So I had made this as my own choice. Let's make my name here also. Let's make it a bit different, this like this. Okay, and we had imported a cipher module. So cipher module is basically a module of crypto. Just learn this term here properly. Just listen it very carefully. And we have imported crypto dot create cipher. So there is a deprecation thing symbol, so there is a warning marks. You can easily you can ignore it. So there is a written AES 128, very important. AES 128, what does it mean? So basically this AES 128 means advanced encryption standard. What? Advanced, sorry, add encryption standard. Okay, that is means of AES. Okay, and 128 means 128 bit. So this is much security this crypto module will provide you. And a password is basically a string. Okay, so just I think this line is clear. After that, I have set a variable var. You can use let as be var encrypted equals to cipher dot update. I have used the update module, okay, update function of cipher, and it has taken three params. One is password, this password, and one is UTF-8. This is an encoding system. You can see here, just look at my cursor. Here it is also written UTF-8. You can select the encoding. You can see there is a pop-up, and there is a hex means an hexadecimal code. Hexadecimal means there is something like this. This is mean hexadecimal, like 16. So there are like 0 to 15, there are like 0 to 15 numbers and 16 bit. Okay, and there is I have made encrypted, and this is an unary operator. Sorry, unary operator I have used operator. So that means the cipher plus final hex. So the hexadecimal value that will get after, after the encryption, so this value gonna converted into an hexadecimal code, and then that should be plus equals to encrypted. Okay, so how much security that it provides, just think about it. And after that, I'm logging it, so this value I have got. So let's control C this value, and let's control V it, because I will show how much this thing is effective. Okay, so let's sorry, Just I will commenting this out. And not only for encryption, this module have also made for decryption also. So for decrypted value, I have also done the same. So basically I have written crypto function, imported crypto module. After that I have made a variable, constant variable, encrypt password, and I had made this password. Rather than doing this, I will paste this value, control V. Okay, and after that, don't see it right now because that will, you will lose motivation on this. Don't see it basically. So after that I have written DECI page here, decipher, and crypto module create decipher I have imported, and that just ignore this line. And I have also import, I have written like a advanced encryption system and a string password. So what I have done, for decrypted the same process, that so on and so forth. One thing to remember here, I'll be converting UTF-8 to hexadecimal, but here I am doing hexadecimal to UTF-8. So UTF-8 is basically this thing, is basically UTF-8 encoding system basically. And I'll be doing the same, final equals to UTF-8, but here that was what, hexadecimal. That is quite simple. And and this is your output, the same as this. So this much effective is this crypto module is. Just comment it out how you like it, and you can use it in your so much in your functionality. Like I use it in my website. My I have used this in my so much website. If you want to learn it, just go to Google and search the docs of crypto module in JS in Node. Thanks, yeah.